How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset the tire pressure on your MG ZS. So there's multiple models out there. In some other cases, you could go ahead and reset the TPMS on the actual dashboard right here. But generally, in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is to just drive on a highway at constant speed that's around maybe 70 kilometers per hour continuously for around 10 kilometers. From there, the TPMS system will reset automatically. So basically what happens is that it will automatically calibrate your tire pressure depending or by doing this constant motion or continuous motion right here. Now, as a side note, the recommended cold tire pressure for the ZS EV is 41 psi, and it will increase as you drive as the tires heat up. It can increase up to 45 psi when hot, so there's nothing to worry about. And just go ahead and refer to your dash and make sure that your psi is somewhere between these numbers right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.